Hello, my name's Frank. Welcome to Learning and Technology's Quick Tips for Teams. Have you ever wanted to create a place where you and others could collaborate on projects? In this quick tip, I'll show you how to create a Microsoft team. Creating a team is quite simple. We just open up our Teams application that we can download for free from our Microsoft Office 365 account. We go into Teams and we create a new team. We can create a team from scratch. We can grab a group or team that's currently in our organization and automatically add them into a team, or we can select from a number of templates provided by Microsoft, and we can also have our IT department create our own template. Let's go in and create a general help desk team. We'll click on there. It'll create 3 channels, a general channel, an announcement, and an FAQ channel, and it'll put 4 apps in there. We'll start. We'll make this a private group, and then we can give it a name, our help desk. We'll go and say that here is where we help people. Create the team. Once we create the team, we'll then be able to add people to that team, and by default, the person that created the team will be the team organizer and can put a whole bunch of different settings on the team. And there we have a team. We can start adding more people, we can create more channels in the team, we can open up the frequently asked questions, and we can start working with Microsoft Teams. Thank you for watching. I hope that was useful. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips and longer videos, and share with any colleagues that might benefit from this information. Thank you for watching. Here's some other videos you can check out on my channel.